Subject EVS, Standard 3rd, Topic Directions and Map. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn about directions and maps. So let's begin. Major directions. Student, what is major directions? There are four main directions. They are east, west, north and south. The direction help us to locate places. There are four main directions and they are opposite to each other. East, opposite to east is west. Opposite to north is south. Student, do you know the sun rise in the east and set in the west? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When we face the sunrise, we are looking towards the east and behind us is west. Then the direction to our left is north and the direction to our right is south direction. Direction facing each other are called opposite direction. Student, when people ask us directions, we can use our hand to indicate the common directions. Left, right, front and back are the common directions. Now student, how to figure out directions based on the sun? Let's do this. Take your left hand and point it towards the direction of the sun. Your left hand is now pointing east. Now take your right hand and point it in the opposite direction of your left hand. Your left hand now pointing west. You are now facing south and your back is toward the north. Isn't it interesting, student? Now student, let me see how much you know. If you are standing facing the sun in the morning, your face is on which side? Yes, correct. You are facing the east. And where is the west? Correct, the west is behind you. If north is towards your left shoulder, then where is the south? Yes, correct. South is towards your right shoulder. Now you got that. Very good, student. Children, to understand the direction properly, try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. A large frame is given here on the screen. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a yellow strip on each of its four sides, as you see in the screen, for writing the directions. Now tell me, on which side of your house does the sun rises? Correct. That side is the east. Student, in the yellow strip on the side of the house where the sun rises, write east. In the strip on the side opposite to the east, write west. North and south will be written in the remaining two strips. Question number 1. On which side of you is the blackboard? Question number 2. On which side of you is the main door of the classroom? Question number 3. On which side of you is the teacher's table? If the blackboard is to your right, it will be to the left of the girls and boy standing in front of you. If the blackboard is behind you, it will be in front of the girl and boy facing you. Children, in the same way, your answers about the main door and the teacher's table will also be different from those of the girl or boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. Now, we will use directions to find the answers to the same question. Now, let's write the name of the four main directions on the wall of our classroom. Now, stand facing each other again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, and teacher's table are located. Children, east and west are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Student, in this picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other three directions in the yellow boxes. Student, here we have labeled all the yellow strips. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Yes, the ice cream shop is in the west and the bus stop is in the east. So, from west side we have to travel through the east. The next is Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. So, in which direction must he walk? Yes, Amir is in the east. Now, he has to go in the west side for the ice cream shop. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Yes, Sarah is in south and the bus stop is in north. So, from south, Sarah has to go to the north. Student, in a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointed north. The direction on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. This is, the map must be aligned with the directions on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. Student, what is there on the screen? Yes, this is a compass. Compass is a device. We use it to find direction. The compass has an arrow with the head and tail. The head always points to the north and the tail to the south. The sun rises and sets every day. That is why the sun is used to determine directions. The magnetic needle in the compass always lies north and south direction. Now children, let's learn about the maps. Here you can see the map of our city Mumbai, our state Maharashtra and our country India. Let's learn more about it. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. We have 7 continents on earth. Children, do you know about the 7 continents? Okay, let me tell you. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. These are 7 continents on earth. Student, like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. There are 7 oceans on earth and they are Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean are the 7 oceans on earth. Children, the earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. The country are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. Student, on this map we can see the land is shown in white and water is shown in blue color as you see on the screen. Student, now you can see the map of India. So, the capital of our country is also shown in the map. Children, what is the capital of our country? Yes, correct. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of our country. You can also see other states in this map. On the top, that is on the north, you can see Jammu Kashmir, Shimla, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Agra. And on the south, you can see Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madras, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa. Student, the outer boundaries of our country is known as international boundaries. And the boundaries which are inside our map is called state boundaries. As you see in the map, the black line is there. So that is a state boundaries. Now student, here is a map of Maharashtra state. The map shows all districts of Maharashtra, including its capital Mumbai and second capital Nagpur. The districts are shown in different colors. Dear children, on the screen you can see the map of our city Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the major cities of our country. It comprises 2 districts, Mumbai City District and Mumbai Suburban District. Mumbai is one of the biggest city in India. Mumbai is the capital of our Maharashtra state. Student, on the screen you can see the red lines. The red line is a district boundary. Student, on the map the lakes are marked in the blue color. As you see in the map, the name of the lake is Tulsi Lake, Vihar Lake and Pavai Lake. The major places in Mumbai is Kandivli, Malad, Borivali, Dahisar, Andheri, Santa Cruz, Sion, Dadar and much more. Do you know, children? The index in a map has symbols, pictures, sign and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of these symbols, etc., is given along with the map. This list is called the index. The index helps us to understand the map. Student, what we have learned today? Let's see. Let's revise. We have learned today the four main directions and the uses of the direction given on a map. An introduction to our district, state and country using maps.